Hello everybody, welcome back. I wanted to introduce a new series on the channel called Word versus Word. All right, so as I film this series, I plan to walk around and look for examples that I can find in the city where I am to help explain the differences between two words that are really closely related, almost synonyms. But often in my classes, I have students that ask me the difference between certain words, and I wanted to take this opportunity, make this series, and give you a better idea or a better explanation in how you can understand using these words and what the difference is between them.
I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love, I feel the love. I hope it never goes away. I feel the love.
Good, yeah. So right now I'm down at Mindoro Beach. I am in Ilocos Sur in the Philippines, which is on Luzon Island. So for today's class, we're going to talk about two words that are very closely related, but sometimes maybe a little bit misused because there is a slight difference between them. Those two words are jealousy and envy. All right, so we're here. The sun's about to go down. I figured it was the perfect place to finish the class. So the two words are jealousy and envy. Jealousy has a slight negative meaning to it. So we often use jealousy when we talk about maybe in a relationship, seeing another person with another person might make you feel bad, or it may give you some negative feelings that create a bad situation. Envy, on the other hand, is a word that most people think is bad, but actually you can use envy to tell somebody that you are wishfully thinking about them, or you're glad that their wishes came true. It's just you wish that you could also be there, or you wish it was you. So we often say, for example, oh, I heard that you went on a vacation. I'm so envious. It must have been so great. You would not use jealousy to say in that instance. All right? So that's the difference between those two. Very subtle, but again, it's word versus word. All right? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. I have lots of followers here now. Have a look. All right, these are all the cool kids of the neighborhood. Yeah. All right. How's your English?
It's nice, sir. Very, very good.
Yeah?
But very bad. Very good, but very bad.
Good.
This is YouTube.
Yeah, it'll end up on YouTube. Yeah.
I'm shy, sir.
I'm an English teacher, so this is actually not a video about travel, but a video about English. Yeah.
Where do you live from, master?
I'm from Canada. Yeah, I'm from Canada. Yeah, I have the hat on, that's right. Yeah. Do you guys know the word jealousy?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? What does jealousy mean?
It means, it means,
What if you were jealous about something? How would that make you feel? Do you think it's a bad thing? The feeling of jealousy? Is it a little bit bad?
yes, sir.
All right. What about the word envy?
I got it.
Is envy worse than jealousy, or is envy a little bit better?
Sir.
So if I said I'm envious that you guys get to go fishing, is that bad? If I said I'm envious?
Quite, sir. Not
No?
quite, sir.
That's right. What if I said I'm jealous that you get to go fishing? Is that bad?
Yes, sir.
So it has a slight difference, doesn't it? Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. Good. Have you ever caught anything here?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet?
Not yet, sir.
And since I brought you guys down here to see the sunset, here it is. The sun. What's amazing is you can actually see it dipping below the horizon very quickly. It seems like, 20 minutes before, it's hard to tell, but when it gets right on the horizon, it actually disappears really quickly.